History in the making. Neptune, the planet of peace, martyrdom, fantasy, magic, all the invisible things, okay, has shifted into a new energy. It went from Pisces to Aries, and it's going to stay there for about 36 years. So what does that mean? It went from water, mutable, changeable type energy, to fire and let's do it cardinal type energy. So we're going to see a lot of the invisible world topics like mind control, like remote viewing, mental telepathy, all this magical stuff, illusions, delusions, maybe victimization, viral elements, all that kind of energy is going to move forward. It's going to be in the limelight, okay? We're all going to take advantage of this energy. So people can embrace this invisible world like no other time before, okay? And I would be neglectful if I didn't remind you that Neptune is also conjunct Saturn, which means Saturn is reality. It's being serious and determined, but it also could mean your dreams can't come true. It could mean that you're negative and you're doubtful and you're a victim and a martyr, because we're using the energies of both sides of the planet, the negative and the positive. But this Neptune combination with Saturn is also working together with Pluto and Uranus. So this whole lineup has never happened before, probably in our species time. It goes back to the 5,000 something BC, okay? So we're in for some very innovative times. We're going to see things that we've never seen before. Talking about living in the future, this is way advanced future, okay? Basically, what we can imagine is what will happen, and beyond what we can imagine. You should be feeling this energy in the chart where you have the signs of Gemini, Aquarius, and Aries. Those three signs in the beginning degrees, all right? In the around 0 degrees. If you need a forecast done because you don't understand how to do it yourself, you know how to get in touch with me. All my love, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.